Hi, it's Jen and Tammy, and we have a super cool notion that if someone didn't show me how to use this, I'd be like, is this like a mini
A
fishing
little
rod?
fishing rule.
What
It
is
is.
this? And the reason we're bringing this notion to you is back by popular demand, we offered these pillows, and this is the mini patriotic.
Mini patriotic pillows. Yep.
And Lori Holt's Americana collection by Riley Blake.
It's perfect.
We fell in love with this. And you've got all these cute different pillows, but there's one pillow in particular that not only has buttons, but look at the detail.
Oh, yeah.
And Tammy, you were saying that in this kit, they're getting everything, including embroidery floss.
That's correct.
The only thing you have to add is your polyfill.
Your polyfill.
But
yeah.
in order to get this amazing detail, there's a tool out there that makes this so reliably
fun,
perfect,
fun, easy,
and fun. So, and here's the other thing we discovered. It works great with embroidery floss. It works great with the dazzle. It works great with Lori Holt's chunky thread.
Yeah.
So you can really get creative with this. And Tammy did all these samples. Tell us what's on the table.
This one is the chunky thread, and so you can see how much bigger it is. I was just trying to go bigger. This is, of course, our embroidery floss. This is Razzle and Dazzle, and it's sparkly. And I love adding a little sparkle in there. I know you love that. That's awesome. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how to do that with just embroidery floss, and that's what I have on the table ready to go. You want to play?
Yes, but I have a question for you.
Okay.
Because I see all of these colors. Is it always 2 of something, or if it's thin enough, can it be 3 colors? Does it have to be 2 colors?
I think you could put together as many threads as you want.
Awesome.
You could put 3, you could put 6, you could put as many as you want. The one thing to know, you start with a much longer length than what you think you need.
Okay.
Right? So to get this size, we started with probably 4 yards of it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, a lot.
Okay, is that that's what this is?
Okay, that's what this is. That's why I have this giant length of embroidery floss. So I have, and this is already doubled. You guys can see that, right? Here, let me open this up and show them how big this thread is, right? This is how much embroidery floss we're going to use right now and show you how to do this.
And this is the full, I saw you on.
Yeah, it's 6 strands.
Yep, the full thing.
I just took it straight off of the skein.
Okay.
All right, so to start.
I know they're supposed to be the same length,
put our ends together.
Oh, you're going to do a knot.
And I'm going to tie an easy, simple knot.
Yes.
Do not make this hard. Just do this and tie a knot, just like that. Okay? Now, this is why I have a friend with me. Jen's my friend today. All right. And she is going to take the other end of this. Let me separate my double strands. All right. You're going to take that end.
Okay.
Hold on. We have a weird little thread here. Okay. And you're going to walk away from me. And now I'm going to take the tool like this. And I'm going to hook this hook right here behind the knot.
Oh.
Okay. All right. Hold on, let me make sure I do this right.
I'm going to be off camera, but I'm over here holding my end.
You're going to hang on to your end, yes.
Okay.
Okay, you ready? Okay, now I'm just going to start reeling like a fish, right? Like I have a big fish on this. We just keep going. Look how that is twisting. Isn't that cool?
That's awesome.
All right, we're going to go pretty tight. I want it tight.
So if you're by yourself, you could maybe tape this to the
tape
table.
It. Yep.
Something.
Yep. Something. All right, so now I get it to the point where I'm done. I'm going to unhook it, and now Jen is going to come towards me, and I'm going to hang this in the middle, and we're going to come together and meet in the middle.
And I give it to you, yes?
Yep, I'll take it. All right, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, you let go of your tool.
Oh, look at that.
It's like a little helicopter, and it goes.
That is amazing. It's unwinding at this point.
That's right, but it's twisting our threads together. Look.
Look at the consistency of
How
that.
incredible is that? Correct. So now I'm just going to take it off of here. I'm just going to tie a quick knot in this end, tie a quick knot in this end, and you are good to go to use this. Now it will not come untwisted.
Wow. So
That's it.
this is just kind of start it
That's
here
right.
and kind of tack it with a
That's
thread
correct.
that's going to match.
Yep, we tacked it, and then you just go all the way around your pillow with it. So you can see how much cord I ended up with
Yes.
versus how much we started with.
Yes.
It really takes a lot. So experiment with this. Experiment with your different kinds of threads, yarns, whatever.
Look at that.
Isn't that cool?
Oh, you're going to have more than enough.
Oh, yeah.
You've got a full skein of each in your kit.
And that was not a full skein that I unraveled.
I love
Isn't
it
that
when we
fun?
find notions that just, because, you know, this is already cute.
Yeah.
But then when you add this detail,
It makes it even
the
cuter.
difference is in the details.
It
always
truly
is.
I agree.
So thank you for giving us a few minutes of your day to show you that this tool, which without someone demonstrating, you're like, what is that? Now you know it's that super cool detail that's really going to be a difference maker in your projects.
Oh,
so
absolutely.
for sure, head over, pick up these adorable pillow kits. And of course, the Kreinik custom quarter just makes making this trim just
so
fun
easy.
and easy. We look forward to seeing you soon on another Notion video.